As you grew up, did you have a sense of the war going on?
Of the war going on. Very well. I had the sense of air raids, and that was connected to the war. So I'm sure I talked to my mother and grandmother about the war. But those were the things that I really knew. And then near the end, when the bombing got heavier, there were entire houses bombed out, and there were sometimes cries from the rubble, and I asked about what was happening. I'm sure they told me a little, but they tried to mitigate it. Yeah. So I kind of knew, and actually in our own apartment, there was a little bomb damage, maybe just from a stray piece of a bomb or something, small piece. There was a wall that disappeared, and I remember potatoes. We had potatoes back there, and because it was wintertime, the potatoes froze and then rotted. And I remember that, that they rotted.